Imagine this, not one asteroid, not 10, but every asteroid in the solar system hurtling toward Earth at the same time. Cosmic chaos unleashed. What would happen next? Right now, our planet is constantly bombarded by small space rocks the size of pebbles. Most burn up in the atmosphere without harm. In fact, over 30 small asteroids hit Earth every year, but they rarely cause damage. Large asteroids capable of regional destruction, those over 140 meters wide, impact much less often, perhaps once every tens of thousands of years. But the solar system contains millions of asteroids, ranging from tiny rocks to dwarf planet-sized bodies. These asteroids normally orbit peacefully in the main belt between Mars and Jupiter, until something nudges them earthward. Now imagine that, through some impossible cosmic event, every asteroid currently orbiting in the solar system begins a trajectory that intersects Earth. Not just a handful, all of them. That includes Ceres, the largest asteroid, almost 1,000 kilometers across, along with millions of smaller rocks lurking in the belt. But here's the twist, before we get to the full chaos. What if the shock of the first impacts only tells us what's coming at the very end? If even a 1-kilometer asteroid hit Earth, the energy released would be equivalent to hundreds of thousands of megatons of TNT. The impact would vaporize rock near the collision site, create colossal shockwaves and seismic activity, trigger regional earthquakes and powerful tsunamis, blast debris high into the atmosphere. Now scale that up by billions. The largest bodies like Ceres alone would release unimaginable energy upon contact, dwarfing the worst nuclear explosions. If you're already shocked by just the idea of one giant asteroid, drop a like right now. The debris from every asteroid impact would fill the atmosphere with dust and soot, blocking sunlight worldwide. This impact winter effect has been modeled for large single impacts, showing global cooling, crop failure, and ecosystem collapse. Sunlight blocked for months or years. Temperatures plunge worldwide. Photosynthesis declines drastically. Agricultural systems fail. This would not just be local, it would be a planetary climate catastrophe that destabilizes weather systems and kills off food sources. Over the long term, the Earth systems would struggle to recover. Permanent changes in ocean chemistry from massive ejecta, long-term temperature shifts and altered climate belts, loss of entire ecosystems, collapse of human civilization's infrastructure. Even if pockets of life survived, the world left behind would be a vastly transformed, harsher place. Which part scares you the most? Climate collapse, ecosystem failure, or the impacts themselves? Comment below. In reality, the odds of every asteroid hitting Earth at once are so astronomically low it borders on impossible. But by exploring this nightmare scenario, we learn just how fragile life on our planet really is. In the next Cosmic If video, we'll explore something totally different. What does sound actually sound like on different planets? Want us to compare Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and more? Tell us in the comments.